All right, third time lucky. This is Effortless CPA. My name is Glen. This is my YouTube channel. I review make money online software, and I have lots of training on here. So what I'm going to show you today is something called Effortless CPA. What is CPA? CPA is basically cost per acquisition or cost per action, whatever you want to call it. Basically, someone doesn't have to buy something for you to make a commission. All they need to do is actually put in an email or whatever it is. Maybe they need to call and they have to be on the phone for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and boom, then you get a commission. So I'm going to show you this Effortless CPA because Ram has put this together. It's very, very cool. It's as opposed to kind of it's all piecework. It gives you all the information in here. It gives you where to go find the offers, any offer you want. It makes landing pages for you. It's got a whole landing page built in for it, where then you can send them the offer. It's also so you can collect emails, so you can, if you keep emailing them. It lets you spy on your competition, so you can actually look at the ads that are out there promoting the exact same thing that you want to promote and see what they're doing in their ad. Because if someone has made an ad and it's the top ad, they're probably making money. So whatever their ad is doing, that's how they're getting their sales to work. Okay, so let's jump over here. This is the back office of Effortless. So basically, guys, you create a campaign, right? We're gonna go campaign. We're gonna go keyword. I'm just doing weight loss, guys, because it's an easy one to do. And then we're going to do search. Okay, we're going to search the CPA networks, the category, and what country that they're going to pay out in. Because if it's an American company, they don't want to necessarily pay for an action in a country that's not going to be buying their product, right? So it's got all the countries, all that stuff. So this is weight loss. Some of them are world offers, some of them are US, some of them are top 5 tier, some of them are, it depends what it is. It could be cryptocurrency, it could be anything, guys. Like I I own a locksmith group of websites that does locksmith stuff, and we get paid $15 to $20 for every time someone calls the number on our website and stays on the phone for 30 seconds. Okay, so we get paid 50, I think it's $15 to $20. I haven't checked it for a while, and all someone has to do is just call. Like my partner takes care of it in Ontario. It's all that someone just has to call, and boom, we get paid. Okay, this is just taking a second. Sorry, guys. I already made this campaign. I'm doing it again, so it's probably confused. Here, let me go back here. Give it a second. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, so we're going to look at, let's just go back. Now it's going to search again. Sorry, guys. It's taking longer than I wanted it to take. While we're doing that, there's a ton of bonuses that we put together for this. So we've got 18 bonuses, and it's basically all about CPA basic training, basic goals, email marketing. Now, how I use CPA in email marketing, guys, is I put it in the PS. I send 5 to 8 emails every day to my different lists. And if you're on my list, you probably get my emails, or if you're on one of my lists. Now, what I do is I'll have an offer in the email. So I'm going to show them an affiliate offer. And then in the PS section, I'm like, hey, cheers, Glen. And then in the PS section, I'll put, oh, by the way, check this out, or here's access to this, or you need to go look at this, right? And in that which will be a CPA offer, and they're going to go look at that, and they go, oh, that looks interesting. They enter their email, guys. I get like 80 or $100. That's what CPA marketing. It's not costing me anything because I'm already emailing these people. I've already emailed them an offer. They might have looked at that offer. They're not interested in it. So I've given them a second offer in the PS of my email. All right, so now we're here. So look at, here are the products. So this one pays 105. This one pays 24, 9. So this one pays 105 for a sale. This is a CPA. This is a CPA. So then you'd look at like what the things are. So easy peasy, you just pick one of those, you go get approved by the network, and then you're off to it, okay? So then you just create a funnel, and you do pick any of these. Let's one of these, just go in and edit it. Super weight loss in 7 days guaranteed or something like that. All right. I guess I should stop. So, and then put, where do we send your info? There, right? And then we've got an ad. So we go down, we save that next. And then this is download. And this is where we would put our link. We would just basically put our link to the to basically our phone. This is a form code for your what you call it, your autoresponder, thank you page, JavaScript code, whatever. They'll give you code. Like, it's very, very simple to use. Done. You create the funnel and it's done. Oh, this is weight loss. There. GM. Bum. And then we're going to apply it, attach it to a campaign. Weight loss. Okay. Save changes. Now it's in a campaign. Now we can go look at ads. Let's see. I'm not sure what these are. That's the settings. That's just basically giving you the information. That's the ads. So now we want to go look at ad search. So if we go weight loss and search, it's going to pull up all the top ads for weight loss. And then we can just copy that. We can look at what they're doing and copy it. And it's very, very simple to use, guys. And then, of course, Ram's got all the training in here for you, plus all the bonuses. We get it. And you get all this for 20 bucks, guys. So do I recommend, well, let's look at the sales page. We can look at, here's the funnel, guys. So it's 17 bucks for the front end. Pro version is $37. Traffic edition is $47. Hyperlist. So if you wanted to get the whole thing with the downsells, it's probably about 200 bucks. And you get the offer for the unlimited traffic. This gives you just a smaller package. So that's the this is a description of all the OTOs. That's the JV contest. And then this is the sales page, guys. New first ever all-in-one CPA suite makes us $495.80 a day without selling anything ever. Build a huge buyers list in any niche with free traffic, backed by 100% real results, newbie friendly, no tech skills, no budget needed. See results in less. Like when they say no budget needed, so most people make a ton of money. If you're going to go full-time CPA, you will be buying ads. But if you want to do CPA as a side project and maybe pick up 100, 200, 300 bucks, maybe you're doing email marketing like me. If you don't have my Get Paid with Glen course that shows you how to do email marketing, it's free. Just go to getpaidwithglen.com. I'll put a link below. It's a free course, how to do email marketing. Basically, you could do it as basically just a PS like I do. Like, hey, PS, go check out this, and then you go get some really good CPA offers that pay 800 or 80 to 100. Like some of them, guys, like Addiction CPA pays crazy money, like $1,000. Lawyer CPA pays like $1,000 just for booking an appointment kind of thing. So you can make a ton of money with CPA. So just all the information in here that Ram's providing, a platform where you can just go look up CPA stuff as opposed to going to all those individual platforms and looking them up. This gives you the opportunity to look up all the platforms in one place and just really easy to do. So just for that, as if you're going to make money online, and guys, remember CPA can be a side to whatever you're doing. Let's say you're selling books on Amazon, or maybe you're doing training or coaching or weight loss, whatever it is. Well, you can add CPA on top of it. Like you can have your main offer there and just have a little CPA banner that has something to do. So you're not going to lose a sale. Like maybe If someone's not interested in your main offer, well, but they might see that banner and go, oh, that's interesting. Click, boom, they go over there, and if they get that, they get it. So that is what. Let me jump back on here. That is what Effortless CPA is. I was a little bit skeptical when I saw this come out. I was like, oh, is that going to be good? I'm not sure if that's going to be a great product. And then I went in and looked at the back office. And I was like, oh, this is a very, very, very cool product. Very intuitive. Lots of training in there, so you get everything you need. And just want to go in there and play around with it, guys, for like $20 or $17, whatever it is. You really can't go wrong. So I really recommend going and picking this up. Learn how to do CPA marketing. It can go hand in hand with whatever you're doing. Like it really can. It's such a great way to make some extra income and to make money online. All right, so this has been my Effortless CPA. If you want to know which CPA network I use, leave a comment below or go grab Effortless CPA. You'll get on my list. And then what you want to do is you basically want to email me, and I will tell you which network I use because I have a very, very good network that pays very good. All right, guys, again, this has been Effortless CPA review demo walkthrough. My name is Glen Murray. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.